Hello, what is your name?
My name is Fe Maria Che Antonio.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have kids?
Yes, I have two.
How old are they?
They are 6 and 4.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
It's almost 6 months.
6 months. Okay, so do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, I have worked in the Philippines in 2 years.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
6 months.
Where's your employer living in?
In Chunwan,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
450 square feet.
How many family member there?
There are 4 in the family.
Okay, how many kids?
They have 2,
How old are they?
3 years old, and then a newborn baby.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at around 6 o'clock and then clean myself, and then I prepare the breakfast, and then I prepare the kid and take the kid to school, first kindergarten school, and then after that I go back home and then do the household chores. I clean the house and then look after the newborn baby, and at 11 I prepare lunch, and then at 1 o'clock, I do also I continue the household chores. And at around 3, I have to go to school to take back the child. And then at 5 o'clock, I start to prepare dinner. And look after the child. And at 7, I feed the child. And
Okay, so after finish everything, what time you sleep?
at around 10.
10 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.